This is London with Bitcoin Spike and VIP Trader. Pay attention. We have a breakout of Bitcoin looking at the weekly on the specifics. Looking at this specific bump and run pattern. Let's dig into the details on the weekly. We have just set a new candle on the weekly, looking at a level of resistance on a bump and run pattern. If you don't know what a bump and run is, hit the link in the description field and get down into our specific website. You'll see some materials there that will explain what this lead and the bump and the expected run will be. On the weekly right now, it's a clean look at this specific pivot 1, pivot 2, and a breakout up and over this level. Now, this would be the complication, not only a variable line of resistance at the lower time frames. However, we're breaking out of that weekly in a rising wedge, typically a bearish pattern. I want to remind you of the following without being bearish, that we have a flat top resistance below, which can act as a magnet. Pay attention in addition to this bearish feature here in terms of the rising wedge, and it's a 60-40. Can it be beaten? It can absolutely be beaten. You know that. Sometimes the best moves in the market are that minority move, okay, that minority probability move. But as we look into the details of the bearish pattern, typically that rising wedge, I just want to remind you that there are a lot of orders stacked at the preceding level of resistance, without a doubt. And if you miss the entirety, of the move to the upside, if you miss that move to the upside, I want to remind you that this flat top resistance here, below could be an excellent entry if we can get some additional volatility to the downside. So, point and purpose. We have the breakout on the weekly. Congratulations. Variability on the daily. Watch that. We'll be dealing with it in the back. If you want to join the #1 trade group, make sure you do it from a desktop computer and hit the link in the description if you don't know what a bump and run reversal is. This is London, former hedge fund owner, private non-SEC, now financial advisor, Duke University, Harvard Business School. We'll talk to you soon. Let's trade this week. We've been doing it all weekend, and guys, every week we'll be trading. Excited about the 2023. HQ 2023 is in La Jolla. That's where we're at. We're excited to be here. Crown Jewel of Southern California. Thanks to all the VIP. We'll talk to you soon. This is London. Bye-bye.